Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Naidalyn, and today's video is going to be a meal prep with me. And this is going to be great if you're one, lazy like me, two, if you are working full-time, or if you're just a college student and you just can't be bothered with making a whole bunch of meals, but you're a fit baddie and you need to make sure that you're getting your protein. So these are just my favorite meals for when I want to make sure that I'm getting in my protein so I can grow this booty. And I just don't have the time to meal prep, because here's the thing with meal prepping, right? It's great. It saves a lot of time throughout the week, but meal prepping saves so much time throughout the week because you're literally taking all of that time that you would spend throughout the week and combining it into one day. And I don't know about you, but like, I just don't have time to be staying in the kitchen all day. Like, no. So yeah, so this video was filmed when I was working full-time, and I just like to make things as easy as possible for me, so you're gonna see all of that. But I feel like I'm just rambling at this point, so yeah, let's just get right into the video. First, obviously, we're starting off with breakfast. Every day for breakfast, I like to keep it really simple and make overnight Pro-Oats. So it's really simple. You literally just take a cup of oats, a cup of milk. I personally like almond milk. You can do water if you want. Add some protein powder, some peanut butter. I like 2 scoops. I'm a peanut butter kind of girl. And then you can literally use whatever topping you want. So you can add granola onto it, which I like to do because I'm a texture person. So I can't do mushy oatmeal. I can't have it be liquidy, which is why I use only half a cup of milk. If you like your oat milk to be like really runny, add more milk, add more water, whatever. But yeah, but I like to just use that amount, and I like using granola. You can also add like bananas or whatever, but I just like to keep it nice and simple. The cool thing about overnight Pro-Oats is that you can have it cold if you want. So I'll literally just make it, throw it in the fridge, and then have it throughout the week. But what you could also do is just heat it up if you prefer that. To each his own, eat it the way you like.
Hey, yo!
Okay, so for my first lunch option, we are making some brown rice and quinoa with some ground turkey and some veggies. I'm just using this Seeds of Change brown rice and quinoa mixture. It's so easy, so simple. You can literally cook it on your stovetop or microwave it, and it's good. It's brown rice, it's quinoa, so many nutritional benefits, so we love that. And it's really filling as well. So because I can microwave this, I'll literally just pour it straight out of the bag into my container, and then once I'm ready to actually eat it, I'll heat it up, you know, and it just cooks that way. And I'm not like too specific about the portion sizes with the rice, but that is about like a cup, and this is really high in calories, so great, so filling. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. And it's quick and easy. Now I'm cooking up my ground turkey. So I'm literally just using, you know, your standard seasonings. I'm using some garlic powder, some onion powder, some adobo, some black pepper, using cumin, and then I'm adding in some tomato paste just to give it that moisture, because I feel like ground turkey can be a little dry. But adding in some tomato sauce, and I'm also adding in some sofrito, because if you know, you know. And if you don't know what sofrito is, it's literally just a big mixture of like a bunch of vegetables. So you got some peppers, your onions, your garlic, cilantro, like you just have a bunch of mixed goods into it, so adding extra flavor. Now you're gonna see me using my scale, and I'm just literally measuring out 5 ounces of ground turkey, which equaled up to 21 grams of protein, because baby, gotta get in that protein. And all of the like nutritional information is going to be in the description box down below, so check that out if you're interested, and have all the protein and calories and all of that stuff. Then I'm just taking some vegetables, throwing it on a skillet, using the same seasonings, you know, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, adobo, and yeah, then I'm putting that all together, and that is my first lunch option. The second lunch option is super simple, super easy. So we're making pasta. Nothing special really about it, but I'm using protein pasta, which is great. Protein pasta is like 10 grams of protein, but if you know me, you know I eat, okay? I am not gonna use a little serving size of pasta. No, I'm gonna double it.
You know I had to double it.
So I literally turned that into like 20 grams of protein. Keeps me nice and full, and we love that. Literally use whatever sauce you want to use, whatever floats your boat. Just be mindful of like sodium content, fat content, all of that good stuff, you know? So the third lunch option that I had for the week is this chickpea chicken wrap. It's really simple. Like I said, girl, We are saving time over here, okay? And saving money because these are really like simple, affordable ingredients. So yeah, pretty much all you're gonna do is take a tortilla wrap, make sure it's like, you know, for a burrito, so make sure it's large in size because that's what we like. And you're gonna take some canned chicken breasts. That's what I do personally because I know it might sound gross to some people, but it is chicken, okay? It's chicken. It's really high in protein. Then you're gonna throw that into a bowl, add some canned chickpeas in there, and you're gonna pretty much prepare it as if you were preparing tuna. So throw in some mayo, season it up the way that you like. I personally like using salad and vegetable seasoning. You mix that bad boy up and then throw it onto a tortilla wrap. You can get real fancy too. You can add like celery if you want, carrots, cucumbers if you want to make it like a little kind of veggie chicken chickpea wrap. You could just get creative with it, but I keep it simple because once again, I don't have time to be out here chopping all these vegetables and throwing it together, okay? If you want to spend a little bit more time or you just have more time to spend, you can look up actual chicken, season it up the way that you like it, and you know, get real fancy with it, but I'm not doing all that. That's pretty much all that I have for this video. Really quick, easy, simple, high protein meals. Because listen, I understand we're busy, we got a lot of things on our plates, and we have fitness goals that we want to reach. So that does not mean that we need to sacrifice reaching our fitness goals because we're over here focusing on like all of the other things that we have on our plate. We are fitness baddies. So that means we have to stay on track with all of our goals. Okay, doesn't matter if we are working a 9 to 5, if we're working overnight, we can do it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got some inspiration from it. If you have any other like recommendations to like, you know, add a little razzle dazzle to any of the meals, let me know down below. If you try out any of the meals, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.